It all started with a chance encounter at an old scrapyard. A 2001 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado V8, a shadow of its former glory. This wasn't just any SUV, it was a beast that had seen its prime and was now waiting for a miracle. Rust covered every corner like a bad tattoo. Why? The first step was simple: get it home. Spoiler alert, it wasn't simple. Towing it felt like dragging a stubborn mule uphill. But once it was in my garage, the real adventure began. The paint job was another adventure. Sanding down the rust felt like trying to erase years of neglect, one stubborn patch at a time. When I finally sprayed on that glossy midnight black, the Prado started to look less like a relic and more like the beauty it once was. It was like watching someone emerge from a makeover montage in a movie. Then came the moment of truth. Turning the key. I double-checked everything: fluids, connections, bolts. I said a silent prayer and twisted the ignition. For a moment, there was silence, and my heart sank. But then, a growl, a rumble. The V8 roared to life like a lion waking from a nap, shaking the garage